Guys, today I have these two orchids to repot into semi-hydroponic, transfer them into semi-hydroponic, and this is my RLC, RLC Amazing Taiwan Magic that I bought it in my recent unboxing. You saw it. And it has a green root tip, so I decided to transfer it now, and there is a new growth here. So they usually do well in semi-hydroponic with leca for me. And also I've got this yellow bird, which I've been I think I had it since June that time, and I haven't repotted it yet, so I decided to transfer this into semi-hydro as well. I mean, it's a tough orchid. Some of the roots are dying. I don't know if it's gonna do, I mean, I'm sure it's gonna do well, but I'm not sure if there is a root growth. It might not be a best idea to do it now, but I'm gonna do it anyway because the media is very bad and it's going bad, so that's why I decided to do them both at the same time. So let's do the RLC first, which is easier. And okay, so what I've done, I'm going to repot them into this cup with the semi-hydroponic holes with leca. And I'm going to repot it with mycorrhizal fungi to see. I mean, leca might not be the best media for it, but it's just an experiment. Again, I'm doing the experiment. Or I can use bonsai maybe for the top part. Yeah, I think I'm going to do that to see how it does in that media. So plus myco, that's what I wrote in the label, November 22, and the orchid is RLC Amazing Thailand. So it's a very nice Cattleya. Okay, so as you can see, it's just been put into this media recently, just the bark. And yeah, so it's not very established yet, so it's a good idea, or it's a good timing. But this thing stuck into this bark. I'm not gonna remove that bark because, you know, it will damage that root. But I'm going to remove there's some moss in here. I think it's been probably grown into moss, and it looks like a seedling, as I said when I was unboxing it. If you haven't seen the unboxing, I will link it down below so you can watch when I received this orchid. Yeah, as I said, it's a seedling and it's probably been grown into moss before, but then it's been like potted into this bark media. Now I need to transfer it into semi-hydroponic because my Cattleya is doing very well in my environment in semi-hydro with leca. So that's what I'm going to do. Although the best time for transitioning orchids in my environment, I found it's about May, June, July, those time of year. But they can also take some time at this time, which is not too cold yet. And whenever they have growing green root tip, they will do well in semi-hydroponic. So I'm trying to remove as much as possible the moss stuck into the roots, and I'll be washing it under the tap. And yeah, there's some like dead roots here, which I'll be cutting it off with my secateurs. I sterilize it over the flame, and it's good to go. So let me just cut some of these dead roots. Okay. Okay. So I'll be washing it under the tap, and I'll try to remove, if I could, this bark under the tap. If not, it's just stays like that. And yeah, I'll be back in a second. So as you can see, I washed the media from the root ball, and I decided to go ahead with the bonsai mix. It's a pumice, akadama and kedama mixture, washed and already prepared. So I put something similar to the way that I repot my African violets and some other orchid. I've been experimenting. So I put leca at the bottom in the reservoir, and then I put my orchid. With this orchid I decided to do, let me just cut a little bit of these wiry bits of the roots. So as I said, I've decided to use the mycorrhizal fungi. And yeah, we see how it grows, and if it's even, help with the growth or not. I think I cut one good root. Oh yeah, dear. Yeah, I think I did that. But this one is a bit blackish. Anyway, I think there is more than one plant in here, but I'm not going to divide it. I think this has been like put few seedling together, and it's been grown like this. And in my opinion, this is at least 3 to 4 years away from blooming, but it's been sold as blooming size anyway. I'm not gonna discuss about that, but that's what sometimes they sell orchids like this. So I put some mycorrhizal, as you can see, on the roots, and I'm going to use this bonsai mix. For the Cattleya, I never used it. Cattleyas grow in leca very well for me, so I was going to use that, but then because of the mycorrhizal fungi, and I saw that these are almost seedlings, so I thought maybe this is a better media for them. So we see how it goes. Hopefully it should be okay. I think maybe I can use a few leca in here just for stabilization. And I put some pebbles on top for decorative pebbles to prevent water loss in the top of the media. And also it looks nice. This is just a pebble, washed pebble. Oh, that cherry berry is so nice smelling, so lovely. Okay, so as I said, this was in my last unboxing, and I'll link that down below for you to see how it looks, or to see my unboxing. Next orchid I'm going to do is this. As I said, this one never been repotted since I got it. The media is going smell bad, so I'm going to repot this into leca, and hope for the best. I think this is a vigorous orchid. Hopefully shouldn't affect it badly, because it's already like got lots of good roots, but also the dead roots because of the media, and there is some sphagnum in the middle. Okay, so I'll try to take out as much bark as possible. And need to wash it under the tap, and I'll be back once it's cleaned. The roots are clean. Lots of dead roots I need to remove, and there is this sphagnum ball in the middle, just rotten, lots of roots. Anyway, I'll be back after I've cleaned this root bowl. As you can see, I've washed the root bowl really well, and in meantime I think this is gonna break. I divided, and it's just naturally divided, but I'm gonna repot them both in one pot. And just before that, I just need to clean a little bit of these dead roots. So these are mostly dead. okay now. And yeah, these are firm, so I'm not going to cut them except this one, but the rest is okay and they're firm. So I'm debating if I should put the mycorrhizal node. I don't know, maybe not. For this one I just do it with leca, or I can do both of them in separate. Sorry guys, I think I was talking and the battery is gone, and I don't know exactly how much you've seen so far, but what I did is that I've cleaned the root ball and it just broke from the middle, also it's just a natural division, so I have two pieces to work with, and this one goes into semi-hydroponic without the myco, with leca. So I've chosen this yogurt pot, my favorite, because I like the size. It's very good for species like that, for orchids like this. Sorry about the leca noise. So I'm just putting the leca in this up to the hole, just a tiny bit more because there's not much of a root ball at the moment. I might need support for this, and let's see how it goes. So I just put leca around it. And okay, one more thing you need to do is that just put the new growth towards the front, so then there is the most space until it can, because it grows like this sympodial way, so then there is some space for it to grow more. And also there's two growth points, this one and that one, so both of them, they have some room to grow. And yeah, I think that's okay. And I put some pebble to stabilize. It helps with the moisture retention on top layer, and also it's nice and decorative pebble. I have some colored glasses and mix with this because I recycle these, so yeah, I use that with my pebbles as well. Okay, so yeah, actually it's quite firm, it doesn't need anything. So this one without the mycorrhizal, and the other part, which is this one, I'm going to use the mycorrhizal fungi. So what I do is just to put leca up to that drainage hole again. Sorry about the noise. Okay, then I put my orchid and half a cup actually of this mycorrhizal fungi and the root ball, and then I'll put this pumice mixture, pumice and academa and Qdama. It's just an experiment and to see if the mycorrhizal fungi is actually working. And I have few other orchids in this kind of setup, and we can compare their growth in one video and talk about it. Okay, I think it's fine now. And the label says BC yellowbird and the date and the mycorrhizal fungi, so we can compare their growth in the near future. So that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed my repotting. So I've got 2 yellowbird and 1 the BC Thailand Magic, or what was it? Amazing Thailand. Sorry, Amazing Thailand Magic. This one with a new growth here. New growth. And yeah, we could I could update you in a few more months, and I hope you've enjoyed this session of repotting and learned something actually. And yeah, that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and if you like this repotting, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.